This is Achintya. Congrats, Rinki auntie, on graduating.
Hey Arya, many congratulations to you. Man, it takes a lot of grit to get into studying at the most hectic phase in your life. You have been super successful in your career, and at that peak you decided to make such a big change. Hats off to you. When I started working, I knew I would never join school again. But you gave such a big surprise. Very inspiring. So proud of you. How I wish our whole gang of girls were there with you on this day. We have so many memories together. We have all known each other for 30 plus years now. And you are the reason why we stayed connected for all these years. Whenever you came to Bangalore, all of us would make time from our busy schedules to meet. And even though you were so far, you were always there when needed. When you and Raghav offered your house for Aarti, you have no idea how much you helped all of us. We were trying to find solutions for her and you just stepped in. I admire your generosity and selflessness. Today we are all gathered at Sharda's house. Wish you were here too, but no worries. When you come down here, we are going to celebrate the way you're celebrating today. Congratulations again. Enjoy your day.
Hi Arya, congratulations. I'm so happy and proud of you. It's wonderful to see you complete your masters. Wishing you continued success and all the very best ahead.
Hi Arya, big congrats on your master's degree. Been knowing you since school days and man, I've seen you go through a lot of ups and downs. But you've always bounced back like a fighter. Now you're handling family and finishing your masters at the same time. That's no joke at all. So proud of how far you've come. Wish we could be there with you to celebrate it together. All the very best. Bye.
Hey Arya, love you girl. So proud of your achievement. Congratulations on graduating, and I'm sure it was not easy to get to complete your masters, with going through all so many responsibilities. And I'm so proud where you are today, and with all the ups and downs that you've gone through life. And I've known you for nearly 37 years, and I'm so proud we are still in touch, and we really, like you say, like we are sisters from another mother, and that really means a lot. And thanks for being there for me during my tough times, and it really means a lot. We are more like a family than friends, and I'm so proud of you, and thanks for being there in my life. Thank you, love you a lot, and I really miss you.
Hi Rinki, just wanted to send you the biggest congratulations on your graduation. I genuinely don't think people realize how much hard work, consistency and determination goes into reaching a moment like this. So today is really all about you celebrating everything that you've achieved so far. I hope you're having a great time and the best time at your graduation party, soaking in all the love, attention, pictures, celebration, because this is such a special milestone, right? And you absolutely deserve every bit of it. So happy for you and really proud of you. Cheers to this new chapter ahead, and looking forward to meet you soon and celebrate this milestone together. Bye.
Hi Rinki, congratulations on getting your master's. Well, I have always been aware that you are an achiever always, and you have done it again and again. And this time, the master's is something big achievement. And God bless you for that. The whole family is very proud of you. And I'm also proud to be your daughter. So please convey our congratulations to Raghav. With his support, you have done so much. And wish you all the best. And here, I love you always. Okay, bye.
Congratulations, Rinki. I'm very, very happy for you. I wish you all success in your future endeavors also. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, Rinki. I was very happy for you when I heard that you have earned an MBA from George Mason University. It's not a small achievement considering the circumstances and the challenges that you have overcome to do this. Whenever I think of you, I remember the cheerful little girl you were. Your grandparents instilled the qualities of empathy and love in you while you inculcated discipline from your mother that shaped you into a wonderful woman you are today. I always quote your example to people who want to migrate. You and Raghav took a timely and right step to move to the US. That was a courageous decision. And now this. When many women of your age sacrifice their personal dreams under the pressure of everyday responsibilities, you dare to dream and importantly you dare to act on it. Balancing the role of a mother, a wife and a full-time student is no small feat, and you have always done it in style. This degree is not just a qualification, it is a proof of purpose and your determination, so it's never too late to chase a dream. I wish you the very best in your life. May success follow you wherever you go. May Raghav and Anika always be your strength, and may God bless you, our family, with happiness, good health, and all the prosperity you deserve. Congratulations once again, with all our love and blessings always.
Hi Rinki, congratulations and best wishes on your big graduation day. I know how hard you've worked over the last few years. I've watched you keep at it. Your perseverance is hugely admirable. I'm sending you lots of love, lots of good wishes going forward. I'm sure you'll find amazing success in whatever you do. Till we meet again, raising a toast for you, and congratulations again, sending you lots of love.
Congratulations, Rinki, on your graduation, and we shall celebrate when you come down to Bangalore next time.
Rinki, awesome. Congratulations on your graduation and wish you all the very best for the next few years. Yeah,
Very proud of you. Well done.
Very
proud.
Bye. Stop the video now.
Congratulations on your graduation. Can you please host me a party when you come to Bangalore?
Rinki, congratulations on your graduation. This was no easy task, and I'm so proud of you for chasing your dreams and actually achieving them. Go Rinki!
Learning well is always permanent. Congrats, Rinki, on proving that the best time to build a dream is right now. God bless you, dear.
Congratulations, Rinki Dodamacher, your graduation.
Okay.